Yeah, basically this month is over.
Man, the hatch. Oh, this is Zach. Damn, yo. The hatch.
That's a move like I'm calling you on with it. Tell my city speaking fast.
Where is it, mate?
Them niggas split that shit
Get
up.
that pump out the car, too,
Let's
man.
split that shit up, man. Cartel here now, man.
Get that pump out the car.
She can pump their signs like it's Phil Gage. Woo! Man. Woo! Just tell
Some of his Crush Groove God flow.
now I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I was just in there dumping the clips. And they got the inspiration. I still out here packed out.
The man Black one inspiration for you?
You got one saved for the cut? Once you got it.
Yeah, man, 32 in the clip.
You
You just dumped the clip. Now we running all night long. Ain't gotta worry about shit. You just sit back, hit your J, get your popcorn, enjoy the show, man. Enjoy the show. That's what's going on.
Blast off locally. And ignite from here. It's my money. Comes down to Friday.
Man said he gonna blast off locally, right? That's what's going on.
Feel good about the South. They took me back. They got me back on my white tee shit. When last time you see me on white tee? Yeah, it's one last motherfucking time locally. 2012 P-Gown. I told y'all that shit no laugh. P-Gown.
Hey, big, you know, see me when you see me. Catch us when you catch us. Hold up, y'all. I got my boo, man.
Do something with her.
I gotta take a I gotta go photograph of Rara, man.
As long as you
She's one of
send
the
it to me.
legendary MCs, man.
Fancy.
Gracious. I
Fancy.
stand corrected. I stand corrected once again. Legendary, Mo. I'm sorry. This is pack out. This is pack out. It's pack out.
Yeah, it's over, man.
Pack
Yeah,
in.
Are you ain't hit us up on Twitter and shit?
What we doing?
The joint, the ladies might use on this joint.
What's mine?
Oh, no, y'all.